So, ethical fashion is the recognition that there are human beings behind the clothes that we wear, and how, because of fashion, humans gonna suffer. First, let's see the process of fashion supply chain. Firstly, fibers are set to grow, then harvesting is done, after that ginning and spinning, followed by knitting and weaving. Then dyeing process starts. After that, drafting, constructing, cutting and trimming and stitching takes place. Trading takes place, then it goes to retailers and then finally to the consumers. So we will see that how this process on a large scale takes place and harms the environment. Now let's see about the clothing industry's environmental impact. 20% of industrial water pollution comes from treating and dyeing textiles. It takes 700 gallons of water to produce enough cotton for one t-shirt. Just imagine millions of clothes getting ready, which will take a lot of amount of water that a person will have in 3 to 4 years. The clothing industry is the second most polluter of clean water. And how sad is that for us and for coming generation? More than 90% of cotton is now genetically modified. Production of fiber is responsible for 18% of pesticides used worldwide and 25% of insecticide used worldwide. Let me tell you the fast fashion facts about water. It takes 2700 liters of water to make just one t-shirt. Can you imagine making millions of t-shirts? Oh my god. Waste. 3 out of 4 garments will end up in landfills or be incinerated. Textiles. An estimated 400 billion square meters of textiles are produced annually in a year, of which 60 million square meters are left on the cutting room floor as a wastage. Consumption. Americans buy twice as many items of clothing as they did 20 years ago. What is sustainable fashion? That is ethics plus aesthetics, which gives you sustainable fashion, and people should follow this. And sustainable fashion definitions you need to know is eco fashion, slow fashion, ethical fashion, sustainable fashion. And let's go deep into it. So, eco fashion, how your clothing impacts the environment. Slow fashion, slow down on following trends. The average piece of clothing is worn just 14 times, and it's time we increase the longevity of what we wear. Ethical fashion, the ethical treatment, pay, and occupational health standards of garment workers and the effects it has in their community. Sustainable fashion, the umbrella term for all of the above. The definition of sustainable fashion can shift over time. One should not be called low graded if they use same clothes for different occasions or repeating them. Clothes can be recycled and be made as new and ready, and we can use them all as new. Let's know something about ethical fashion. Vintage and second-hand garments, repairing our old garments, swapping the garments with each other. We can stop child labor, we can stop pollution with the help of ethical fashion, and it is a major need nowadays. Fast fashion behind the bargain. 60% of all clothing made is landfilled or incinerated in 1 year. 2% of garment workers earn a living wage. 80% of garment workers are women, and they are paid a very less pay rate. Washing synthetic fabric sends millions of plastic particles into the oceans, and the most harmful fabric is the synthetic one because it pollutes our ocean like anything, and it harms the environment, the coming generation, and our generation also. Did you all know? I don't think that many of them would even know about this. How long does it take clothes to decompose in landfill? The viscose t-shirt takes 1 to 6 weeks. Cotton socks takes 1 to 5 months. Can you imagine 1 to 5 months? Thermal top takes 9 months. Lycra sports clothing take 20 to 200 years. 200 years. Denim jacket take 12 months. Leather bag take 50 years. The very dangerous one, because it is made up by taking off the skin peels of animals, and with the help of that animal skin we make all those bags, belts and everything, and they take 50 years to get decomposed. Silk cami takes 1 to 3 years. Nylon ties take 30 to 40 years. Polyester dress take 200 plus years. This is going crazy. Wool jumper takes 1 to 5 years. Sleeveless tops, linen sleeveless tops takes 2 weeks. Can you all just see the effects that our environment is suffering a lot because of all of these things. It takes 250, 1 year, 2 year, 9 months, all of that to just decompose a basic thing which we wear casually and we just throw away like that, and we don't reuse or upcycle all of those garments. One should keep in mind that fashion shouldn't cause the earth. What is slow fashion? Slow fashion is ethical fashion, eco fashion, and not ego fashion. Lasting fashion that lasts long and we don't need to change it regularly. Slow fashion is that. Here's a 4 little steps for an ethical wardrobe. We can reuse plus repair what you own. Whatever you have, you can reuse and make it very trendy and very classy to be worn again. Recycle, donate, or buy pre loved clothing. Occasional wear items, you can rent them or you can borrow them also. Research, ethical brands. There are a lot of ethical brands which will give you the garments for rent and then they'll take it back and then they reuse, remodify them. And any which ways, fashion has always been a repetition of ideas, but what makes it new is the way you put it together, and not because of buying great things that is trendy nowadays. You can just repair and make your own things. So, folks, let's raise a big no to fast fashion and a big yes to conscious, trendy, and glamorous style that we can create our own. Let's cheers to sustainable fashion, the ethical fashion, which is very needed nowadays. Cheers to that.